Hello guys, and welcome to this new video on my channel Technique with Danielistic again. So I got this weird error. It says that my PC doesn't support TPM 2.0, but by looking at my support site on the ASUS, that says that my mainboard should have TPM 2.0, but it's weirdly it's just not activated. And to check if you have TPM 2.0 as well, we're gonna do everything in this video. I'm gonna have some chapters set in this video. You can just skip to the chapter you want. So yeah, just make sure you follow every step correctly so you don't mess anything up. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Trapped in the concept, falsely accused, was used, and misled, bitch. I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.
So to see if your mainboard has TPM 2.0, you're just gonna type in your mainboard. I did it like this, you know, just type in your mainboard TPM 2.0, and then I already, you know, get to see this side. And here I can, before you begin, check for compatibility, and it says my B350 series is supported with TPM 2.0. And to check this, if you have it activated, is you hit the Windows button on your keyboard and R. You know, it's simply doing this here. You know, you can right click here and hit run, and then you type in TPM .msc like this. You know, you're gonna hit OK, and then you see this window, and here it says to me, sorry, it's in German, that no compatible TPM has been found. So simply it says to me your TPM is not activated on your mainboard. And I checked how to do this. I googled how to activate TPM in the BIOS, and it says I have to go into system configuration, BIOS, platform configuration, blah blah blah, server security, and then we're gonna have to activate the trusted platform module options. And yeah, so we're gonna do this. And very important, the BIOS secure startup has to be activated as well, so we don't get this error when trying to run or install Windows 11. Yeah, I want to fix this for myself and for you guys, so you can profit from this. So I'm gonna restart my PC into the secure boot into the BIOS. Actually, by this we're gonna, okay, yeah, so you see this update failed again, so we're gonna go into the BIOS. By this you're gonna hit Wiederherstellung. It's in English, I don't know yet. So it should look like this, where it's a advanced start, and then it says restart now. And yeah, I'm gonna film this with my phone, so I hope the quality is gonna be good, and see us in a few minutes. So right now I have the screen. We're gonna click on the bottom thing, you know, right there. Then we can hit advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings right there, and then hit restart. So sorry for the bad screen quality, but right now I'm in my BIOS. So you can see the BIOS utility, and once we are here, I want to go into my advanced mode. That's pressing by F7, and right now we are in this section. You can go, you know, in any section you want, but to check the first thing is secure boot. You go to your boot section, and then you can go a little bit down to secure boot right there, hit enter, and then right here you wanna have the secure boot state, have it enabled. The OS type, I'm gonna put it on Windows UEFI mode, you know, this is the best optimized possible option to choose. There's for me other OS possible to choose, but I'm gonna go with the Windows UEFI mode. Yeah, to enable the TPM 2.0, you go to the advanced section, then you go to the CPU configuration, or actually it's the AMD TPM configuration. You know, it says already TPM, and once we go there, I see my AMD TPM switch was disabled, and I'm gonna actually enable this. Yeah, it says already AMD is a hardware TPM code. Let me actually read this. Hardware TPM will be. Oh yeah, it says that yeah, nothing really important. But you should read it so you can see what is there, and you're gonna hit OK, and now it's enabled. So I'm gonna go to exit. I'm gonna hit save changes and reset, and yeah, I'm gonna hit OK, and let's see if it boots normally into the OS. Yeah, seems good. Yeah, seems good. Seems really good. So I'm gonna go into my screen recorder right now. I'm gonna end this. Seems really good, working just fine. Let's see if the Windows update is working, and I'm gonna update you guys in a few minutes. Alright, we are back into the Windows. So I'm gonna hit run again. You know, right click, run, hit tpm.msc again, click OK, and voila, it says now we got this TPM thing. TPM is ready. It says 2.0 TPM, and right now I'm gonna go to settings, go to update, and let's see what we got. Let's see over here. Oh, now I can actually choose everything, you know, and going on the Windows update, I'm gonna hit the download button again, and let's see if it downloads the version right now. Yeah, seems like there's no issue right now, no error, because every time I hit download, there was this window popping up from Windows. It says that my PC isn't supported because of TPM, but right now it just seems fine, and yeah, seems like it's working. If it's not working, I'm gonna update you guys, but as I can choose everything right now, I think it's that my, oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, okay, so it says everything is ready, and yeah, perfect. So I hope this works for you guys as well. It worked for me pretty good. So if you guys have any issues with this video, or any issues with any other program, just leave a comment, and I will try to help you as fast as possible with the comment or a new video. And yeah, have a nice rest of your day, and yeah, see you. Bye bye.